don't have no more makeup removers that doesn't have oil in it, so I'm just using alcohol. Don't use alcohol because it's not good for your skin. I should use witch hazel. I don't think I have any, and if I do, I don't feel like going to get it. My skin is kind of oily, so set my face. I mean, I'm about to prime my face with primers. The primers y'all already know. So I think I'm going to explain how to do this part. No, 5 top favorite contours. So I'm gonna be right back once I apply my primers onto my face. What I went ahead and did was I put powder in the areas that I put my primers. Now I'm about to go in and add some foundation. 49W and 500C from Anastasia foundation. I want to look. This look is giving me very much. Oh, I don't know. It's so cute. See, it's definitely cooler. And 490 is warmer, so I'm gonna put 490 in the center of my face. So I love to do this with any foundations I have before if I want to burn it up. So I'm gonna take 49W and 500C from Anastasia foundation. I want to look. This look is giving me very much. Oh, I don't know. It's so cute. It's gonna be like luminous, okay? Because I already use that alcohol to dry my face out, and I put powder underneath, so it'll be like matte but then luminous at the same time. See which one is darker, I mean lighter, so I can put it in the center. 490 is warmer, so I'm gonna put 490 in the center of my face. So I love to do this with any foundations I have, especially if it's not like my shade, or if I want to burn it up. I take the lightest one or a warmer one, and take a darker one on the outer parts to kind of match with my neck. It's okay to go a little darker with your foundation, especially around the neck area, because you can always lighten it up with your concealer. Pan it out with my real techniques. Go ahead and well, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, stretch it. It's like no pores really. So I actually pounced the foundation into the skin, not dragged it or anything like that. You don't want to do that, because what it's going to do is basically leave streaks in your foundation. I like to contour with these now. Tailor-made contours, conceals with these. So the first shade we're going to go in with is Honey. It's like really bright. I like my under eye bright, so we're going to go in with that. But we're going to go in with this in the corner. It's like the concealer, when the concealer gets on, it's like it makes it look really clean. So now with the nose, you want to be real precise. How you line your nose, you want to dead in the middle. My face, it may not look like it's going in the middle, but my face, I told y'all, I don't know if y'all remember a long time ago, if you look at my face, you know that my face is slanted, so it actually goes, it actually tilts. I don't know if y'all know that, but it shifts like this way. It's concealer up by my nose. Take Butterscotch, and I am going to see how Honey is way lighter than Butterscotch. Butterscotch is like a, I want to say warm, or a gradient effect when you do it. You want everything to like come together into one, instead of everything being like it's light right there, then you go on with your contour. So you just want to go into transition. The Chi, and this is like way darker than Butterscotch. It's like that. You can use stable, but I want to use something warm, and I'm gonna use this contour stick. This is 500, 210. So I'm gonna use this for my light shade. Blend it out, honey. Now what I'm going to do is blend out butterscotch. Starting on my chin. I have to go around my chin. House into the skin just like that. Go back in with your foundation brush, but you don't want to do that. You just want to blend everything out with the brushes you use because I don't know. You just want everything to pop. Same brush I use honey with. Just basically pat it out. Go in with a Real Techniques 301. When I did that boxy look, when I did my eyeshadow, this is how you prevent it. You could do your face before you do your eyeshadow or when you have eyeshadow on. What you want to do is take that contour into the shadow and make sure it's blended out. And go back and forth. It's still there, but it's like blended. So I'm about to take my mixed powder that I mixed up, and we are about to set powder. Then get between those nose. Go inside my brow bone to make sure everything is matte because I don't like that wet look. So you see how it's look wet, like right here, and then right here. It's right there. So I just go in. Go down the bridge of my nose with that powder. See, it's still there. I was debating about white, so I'm gonna do new W50. Pounce that on the areas that you didn't set with setting powder. I love this because it's full coverage. You don't need a full coverage one. You can use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I just like a full coverage. I love a more flawless finish. Tightly smudge out the lower lash line with this dark brown first, but we're not going to connect it. I don't want to connect it all the time. This way to connect it. And my lower lash line with black. So my face kind of dry right here because like a week ago I poked myself with one of these. It was, which one was it? I went under the eye with this, and like the bristles kind of poked me, and like it's like scabby. I'm gonna bring to you all some of my top 5 bronzers, y'all. These are the best bronzers that y'all can have in y'all collection. I haven't bronzed my face yet. After I did my face, I haven't bronzed it. All you see is contour, the cream contour. This one is my Covergirl. This is Ebony bronze, y'all. I love this bronzer. It's a good drugstore bronzer, and it just makes you really chiseled. It's not contour though, so I don't know. I'm not into contour like that anymore. Only if I'm doing like something real dramatic. But I'm only into bronzes. I don't know. I just love bronzes now. So I love this one. It's like I said, it's definitely a good drugstore bronzer. It's warm and it's like a reddish brown, and it's bomb to have in y'all collection, especially for dark skin girls. Okay. Next one is Morphe. This is Brountour. From their Brountour collection. It's called Showmance, and it's like a warm. This one is definitely darker. It's definitely darker than this one, just a tad bit, and more reddish. This one is more warm. I really love this one. I remember when I had tutorials where I use this a lot. Y'all know, y'all remember this. It's so bomb. And on the other side, it has like this shimmer, so you can mix both of them together and get like this shimmery highlighter. Bomb, y'all. So I was swatching my face, but I know which contour that I'm gonna, which bronzer that I'm gonna use, called Mocha Mami. I just started using this one. This one is really bomb. This one is really red. This is really red. It has like a slight reddish tint in the Covergirl one, but this one is like really red, but still warm at the same time for our dark skinned girls. You can use this as a blush. I know some people can use this as a blush, but if you want to be like chiseled and warm, this is definitely a go. Up we have Phenom. Oh my god, y'all know I love this. I use this from the contour collection, so this kind of reminds me of this one, but this one is a little bit red. This one is a little bit more warm, for more of a soft contour, and this one is more of a bronze, and this one's more like a bronze contour. So the Brountour, you know, I think this is the bronzer. This probably is a contour, but it just reminds me of a bronzer because it's not even dark. It's like real warm when you put it on. I love this one, especially when you want to be real soft. Like if I wanted to use this, I could use this one right now versus from the other ones. The other ones are like really reddish. This one is more cool / warm. Like, yeah, on a cool, I would say cool, warmish side, because it's not technically cool and it's not really, really warm. Okay, all of them bomb. All of them bomb. This is my favorite. All of them are my favorite contours. This is that's from the Glamabronze collection too, and this one is from the Glamabronze collection. I'm gonna use this one today, but my look goes right with this look. But the only thing is, it's a different shade. So this one, they discontinued this package, and it's Phenom. But the only thing about this one, I can't say this is my top because I haven't tried it yet and I really want to dive into it. Same packaging, different color, different name, Phenom, and this one is called Leader. Let's get into how it looks. So this is how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Like, oh my god, I think I'm gonna love that one. Once again, they look kind of the same without the lines, but this one looks a tad bit reddish, warm reddish, where this one looks a little bit more cool / warm a little bit, but this one looks more like coolish / reddish. Don't get me wrong, they might not even changed it. Okay, they might not even change it. So I just want to dive into this and like go in on this one. I'm gonna use my E4 brush. This is like an angle brush. You can use a bronzer brush, but I just want to tap this off. I'll put it on. Definitely warm, but a little bit darker versus from in the pan. So let me wipe this off. I might reapply this. I always add it after. I don't know why. I like to go down and in. Okay, y'all see that? Come on. I also think they made it for a little darker. Like I said, for our dark skin women. Let me do this real quick. Kind of bronze this side. I'm loving it. And I was trying to get my hands on this, and it was like so out, like damn near everywhere. Like, I just want to keep adding it. Like, man, come on. Just like glowing. Like Morphe is coming up. I'm gonna take this Peachy blush. So I'm like really swirling these. This date Anastasia blush goes on really good, y'all. Remind you, I still have powder on. I'm coming down with something, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I'm like pushing through for y'all. I'm going to dust off everywhere else. It's like Amrezy highlighter. Brountour, and we're going to basically chisel this nose. Thank you, baby. Alright, y'all. So, I'm snatched. I love this. I love this stuff. Look at it. I'm gonna put a highlighter on my nose. I want it to be like real cute. And then we're gonna do the lips. 506.